Guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can add more languages to your keyboard. So for instance, I'm learning Spanish sort of, and I only have English, Indonesian, and that's it, and of course the emoji. But yeah, I'm going to go to settings, and let's go to general and go to keyboard. Then you are going to click keyboards and press add new keyboard, and you can search for the keyboard you want here. There is Spanish in Latin America, Mexico, or Spain. I'm just going to click on the Spain one, and you can even add other languages. There's a lot to choose from, as you can see here, and you can also delete it. So to delete the keyboard, but I'm gonna show you first. Let's go back to iMessage, and if I click on the sort of language button on the bottom left corner, there will be another language like Spanish, because I just added that, and I can type with like the sort of there's like an extra letter, like the N has this in it for like Espanol, but to delete it, you're just going to slide it and press delete. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.